Alright guys, welcome back to another video with your girl. It is early. Okay, it's not really early, but Dom got me up. He said, Mom, I want to go look at new cars today. And I was like, okay, let's get out here. So we have already been to like 2 dealerships. Right now we're at 1. He's outside. It's too cold for me to really be out there, but let's see how this goes. I feel like he's growing up too fast, but let's see. So we're out here, guys. Dom's trying to find his first new car. This is pretty nice. Since he's got a full-time job, he wants a newer car. Not that his car is not, you know, the best, but it's just always something wrong. Since he's working full-time, he thinks that he needs a better car for the ladies. Oh, it's open? He's being very picky, guys. So what? Okay. So how much do you think you want to spend, son? Like 40? Alright. Anything over there, honey? Alright guys, this is me in the car. Dad and son is out there. And let's see what they find. And I'm going to stay my butt in here when it's warm. So Dominique found one car that he likes. You said what, son? He doesn't know how to open up the hood. What is it? Audi? Audi? Supercharged? Yeah? Hold on. Let me go up further. Open the door up. Jeez, son. This is too much for you.
Thanks, no. I'm about to put in some overtime.
Yo, that is sweet. Let me see the back. Open the back. Dang.
What about that yellow one? I'm gonna look hard.
Under. That yellow one, under. That is sweet. Ask Ray to open up the Tell him to come here.
You see that white?
So this is the back. Ray! Huh? Call for him. Oh yeah, I see him.
Ray!
Ask him.
What's he doing?
This boy is nice. Wow. He's not ready for a car like this, honey.
What the heck that going on? Big ass scratch going across the...
Help him, honey.
I don't know. Oh, it's right here. Oh, no, it's right. That's looking sick, man, but it looks nice.
We made it to our next dealership, and he's now looking at something like this. This kid don't know what he wants, huh?
It's not dual.
No?
I'd rather have challenge.
What is?
1,000 miles for 2018.
And it doesn't say the price. All right. Right here.
Oh, heck no. That's a 2016 though.
But it's not a, oh my god, look how clean it is. It's not an SS. This is the exact same car Dominic has. Oh my god, it's got 90,000 miles. That's not, guess how much? Around 11. Oh, just get another one, son. Ooh, it's a little nippy out here, guys. How do you say that? Yeah, that's what this is like my dream car, guys. I don't know why. I've always wanted one of these. And it's only 35. Let's see how it looks in there. I don't know. I just love these cars, these trucks. Of course, he had to see this one. What's the price on that one? Sorry for all the noise. We're off of Saginaw, the busiest road. It's locked. Doesn't say a price? 27, son. Yep. What is that? 392? What does that mean, honey?
Bumblebee?
Bumblebee. This right here. If we lived in Florida. How much?
That's the base price. Total price 43.
That's not bad. It's not bad. Look at that. Let's see the back of it. Okay. Alright. Dang. That's not bad for that price. How many miles is on that? It's probably not much because it's... Doesn't say. Really? Uh-oh, I think Dominic found his car.
38,000 miles. That's what it says.
How much?
38,000. This is the right one. Look.
It's a price with my bearing. I have one of these.
You swear to God, that's 38. There's no way.
Look at 1992. Dominic, pick it up. Dominic, this is you.
This was my very first car.
Oh, Ray's having memories.
I used to let the top down. It'd be cold outside. I wouldn't care. Put a button in the middle.
Jesus. This guy's, whoo. Maserati. How much? 2014. Oh, doesn't even have a price because they know it's out of our budget. All right. Okay, you guys ready? On to the next dealership. I'm all the way to Frandor. What is this dealership called? Feldman's. So there's no luck out here, guys. We didn't see one car that he liked. Did you like anything, son?
Nope.
No. It's a negative. So on to the next.
How much did they want for that truck?
This one? I don't think it had a price. No price. Okay, on to the next. Now we are at a dealership, another one, and he likes this truck right here. So we'll see what he decides. Now it's time to go grab some lunch. Alright, so we stopped at Don Poncho's. Ray and Dom went inside to grab something to eat. Maybe some tacos. I don't know what Dominique's grabbing. I'm not eating because a girl is on a diet. Okay, really not on a diet, but have to watch what I eat. So we've already been to 3 other dealerships. We did not get out, so I didn't want to vlog. Dominic didn't see anything. He's become very picky on what he likes. So now we're just gonna narrow it down and then talk about prices and see how much he wants to spend. His budget is $40,000, but I have a feeling he might go over. So we shall see. And by the way, guys, I love the orange Mustang, the Bumblebee. That is like my fave. But I know he's a little too young for that. But I think that literally is my favorite. But we'll see what he thinks when he gets back in the car. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we are back home after, how many dealerships do you think we went to?
Like, I don't know, 5, 6.
So out of all of them, what is your favorite?
I don't have a favorite, but I got my favorite car.
What is Ray doing? What did you say, honey? Or what did you say, Dominique?
I said I don't really have a favorite.
What is your top?
Honestly, I can't even remember the name. Thank you.
The Challenger. Let's go for the Challenger. So, alright guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dominique shopping for another car where he can pay off. Hopefully. If you don't go over budget.
I won't.
Alright guys. This is the end of this one. Do not forget to subscribe and turn that bell notification on so every time we post a video, you guys will be notified. Until our next video,